Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good spring break. I'm sending this video to update you on the revised syllabus for our course Women of Color Feminisms for the remainder of spring 2020. I want to start off by sharing a quote of the day. Audre Lorde says, "I am deliberate and afraid of nothing." I wanted to share this quote with you because initially when everything was happening with regard to our transition to online teaching, I realized that I have to approach this with courage, right? This is a learning experience for all of us. I'm hoping that we can make the most out of our remaining time together. I decided to revise the requirements for this course. I omitted the final paper and project for the course, and I decided to add points to other projects that we've already been working on. Attendance, participation, and professionalism is staying the same at 20 points, as well as reflection essays. I did add 20 points to the self-care, self-love project, so there's a total of 30 points there. And then also I added 10 points to in-class facilitation. Well, in this case, virtual facilitation moving forward, just to give more points to some of the assignments that we've already completed. As we move forward, we have 7 sessions left. And so what I've done is I've included the topics for the remaining 7 sessions. And we're going to switch up the format a little bit. A couple weeks ago, everyone submitted their soundtrack of life. What I've done for the upcoming weeks is I've assigned everyone to a day to share your soundtrack. You'll see here, every day we'll start with at least 2 people sharing their soundtrack of life. Then we'll move on to the topic at hand. I've included the facilitators at the bottom of the text here. Continuing with Panaism on April 1st, Borderlands and Mixed Race Feminisms on April 8th. On April 15th, we will be looking at solidarity and internalized racism. On April 22nd, we'll talk about Women of Color coalitional politics. On April 29th, we'll delve into decolonial love. And then May 6th, we are going to be sharing, and everyone will be sharing here, about contemporary women of color activism and movements. I'll be providing more information for this at our April 29th meeting. Lastly, on May 13th, we will be presenting our self-care, self-love presentations. I've also created a calendar so that you have a visual of the month and a half ahead, where I've included due dates for the remaining assignments. So on April 17, that's when your reflection essay 2 is due. This is the final draft for your testimonio that you submitted for reflection essay 1. On May 13, that is when your self-care, self-love projects are due. And then May 15th is when your reflection essay number 3 is due. And I'll be posting the prompt for reflection essay number 3 at the end of April. I'm looking forward to the next month and a half. I look forward to connecting with you all on Zoom on April 1st. Just a reminder, our Zoom meeting ID is 126-117-625, and we'll be using the same meeting ID for the remainder of the semester. I am available for Zoom office hours, so just email me to set up an appointment. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you all next week. Enjoy the rest of your spring break. Bye!